Zika virus is spreading and now reports that Miami Beach could soon have a Zika zone of its own. The news raising major concerns for South Florida's hottest tourist destination.
But tonight, the city's mayor says they are doing everything to control the situation, saying, quote, "I wouldn't want to be a mosquito on Miami Beach." Local 10 News reporter Andrew Perez is live on the beach with our top story. Andrew.
You know, and the mayor also said that crews have been out for months before this news even broke, just trying to stay on top of the whole mosquito situation. After all, this is South Florida. He says right now with these cases, he's just waiting for more information from the health department.
This city has been way ahead of the game. We have been working with all our businesses, all our residents.
From mainland Miami-Dade to the city of Miami Beach, local leaders are speaking out amid fears the Zika virus may have now spread.
There is no epidemic, there's no outbreak of Zika on Miami Beach. I think we can expect to see Zika popping up here and there, but not at epidemic levels.
At least 2 new local infections are now being investigated, but these have ties to Miami Beach. A big concern because, well, it's all about tourism here. It's one reason authorities have stepped up prevention efforts. Thursday, code compliance officers and mosquito inspectors went around Miami Beach looking for mosquito breeding sites.
Months ago, we began our efforts of looking for standing water, and we began dispersing water, removing anything.
City leaders are still waiting to hear from the health department and the CDC, wanting to know where in the city are there any more cases where the patients bitten by mosquitoes in Miami Beach. The New York Times reporting sources say there are a cluster of cases here and that a new Zika zone could be established, something nobody wants to see here after we saw dwindling business in Miami's Wynwood neighborhood.
You know that one of our most important industries in Miami Beach is tourism. I mean, it's not the right message, it's not correct, but I can tell you at this point right now, Miami Beach is doing everything in its power to make sure. I got to tell you this, I wouldn't want to be a mosquito on Miami Beach, that's for sure.
And that is because crews here in Miami Beach, they're up at 6 a.m. starting to try to fight the bite, like they say, just out of an abundance of caution. The mayor also saying that those reports from the New York Times talking about a cluster of cases, talking about a potential Zika zone, he says as far as he knows that that's not true. The Times sourcing several people within the health department, though. The issue here is that we have not heard publicly from health officials about this case, or these cases rather, at all. We're told that all of this is still under investigation. We're live in Miami Beach tonight. I'm Andrew Perez, Local 10 News.